Well, samples from Calgary's wastewater show COVID levels are on the rise. Hannah Lepine is in this morning. Hannah, talk about the concerns.
Jefferson, since 2020, researchers have been tracking public wastewater to detect COVID-19. One dashboard monitored by Ottawa says both Calgary and Edmonton are seeing higher virus circulation. Samples are taken from public facilities and analyzed in labs where multiple pathogens are monitored. Infectious disease experts are warning that as respiratory season continues, reduced access to COVID vaccines could see demand for hospital beds rise.
They know that putting up these barriers and adding costs means that more people will end up sick and they'll end up in our hospitals, which will cost us more and add more capacity issues on our hospitals that are already experiencing capacity issues.
Alberta Health Services says the impact of respiratory viruses is hard to predict, but COVID-related hospital admissions this summer were the lowest since the start of the pandemic, and the overall impact of COVID is steadily declining. And today, the Alberta Court of Appeal is scheduled to hear the appeals of two men serving time for their roles in the 2022 Coutts border blockade. Chris Carbord and Anthony Olynyk were sentenced a year ago to 6.5 years for mischief and possession of a weapon for a dangerous purpose. The blockade was one of several held across the country to protest COVID-19 rules and vaccine mandates. In Jefferson, that hearing gets underway at 10 a.m. in Calgary courts.
Okay, thanks, Hannah.